Hi, my name is Maljane E. Bangog, a fourth-year student of Isabela State University, Kawayan Campus, taking a bachelor's degree in hospitality management. I was a former OJT at the Hotel Andrea, and my experience in this particular hotel was a roller coaster ride because during my training, someone I love so much had died. And hindi ko alam kung paano ko itutuloy or tatapusin yung training ko dito. Kasi during those time, hindi ko na kayang pumasok, hindi ko na kayang mag-focus sa training ko. At ayun, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. However, merong mga tao na nagbigay ng advices sa akin, and special mention kay Ma'am Mildred kasi siya yung nakapagpamulat sa akin na ituloy ko yung training ko, natapusin ko yung training ko kasi sabi niya, life goes on and we have this similar experience during her college journey. And grateful din ako sa mga staffs ng Andrea kasi very considerate sila sa akin nung time na yon. Hinayaan nila akong mag-overtime para hindi ako masyadong ma-behind. Most of my time sa Hotel Andrea ay naging bar attendant ako. And I became the assistant of the bartender who makes drinks and salad. Minsan tiga-take ng order, minsan tiga-serve, and minsan tumutulong din ako kapag may mga events. Since ako na lang yung natitirang OJT noon sa restaurant, sa food and beverage department, I have learned not to depend with others. Be independent and work on my own because I know na darating din yung time na we need to stand with our own feet. I learned to put my problems behind para lang ma-maintain ko yung quality ng service. They gave me hands-on experience sa Hotel Andrea kahit na may mga hindi pagkakaintindihan yung mga staffs. Despite of that, I still enjoyed my training journey at the Hotel Andrea. So, I also recommend to you guys to choose Andrea if you are looking for a short distance training ground and a training ground that is inexpensive. Thank you.